70% of us, we want vow somewhere. Don't let them push you or force you. They say bring your head. They will not. If you don't redeem your vow, you are in trouble. They even wrote down your name. What is your name?
100,000.
100,000, right? What is your name?
100,000.
100,000, right?
Phone number.
Write down your phone number. You wrote. After asking for a while, you go to the they place your name on the altar. And it turns to a vow. From there to yoke. From yoke to cause. From cause to affliction. I ask, oh Lord, why is it that unbelievers are what to do? And Christians, they are looking so pale. I went to the mountain to pray. Because they immerse themselves into a covenant they cannot redeem. What is the meaning of the vow they cannot redeem? Whenever a person make altar calls, why are they forcing themselves to do what they cannot afford to do? That's also what we're trying to battle. Stop it. For you not to use your calling to people in the battle. Do you not say, whoever can give me 1 million? 500,000. Do this according to your financial strength. God will use what I will use. God will send what I will use for you to you. Because of the calling, go put my people into the battle they cannot overcome. I told some of you to up this 2 hours program with 50,000. 50,000. I had more than 8 days of dry fasting to destroy the covenant. God said, anybody that did this month, I've prayed the next 3 months. I fasted, oh Lord, destroy the covenant on them. For me not to be an interest to anybody. All these people, we force, they are going to be accountable for their life in heaven. Under the covenant where you're stored, I decree. Amen. All these things, you will just go and you don't give importance to it. So, vow. If another revivalist make an altar call, you go out. Revivalist. You don't have anointing of deliverance, but anointing of money. That is ill-luck. You can never be rich. Your anointing is anointing of robbery. It is your also part to receive. You don't have anointing that can save authority and preach people. Anointing to raise fund. God said want to uplift 5 people. Pastor Aladanwo. Pastor of temptation. If they are telling you that you are good when it comes to fundraising, God beg you. They call me fundraiser. When you don't know what you are doing, you are in failure. Anointing of fundraising. Pastor Aladanwo. Pastor of temptation. Look at the people that will pass this test. They will come out with 100,000. God will uplift them. He said God wants to uplift 500,000. And he said 100,000. God told the 5 people should come out. And 12 people came out. He said, let 3 people join them. But he said they are 5. When he said 3 of them should come out, 5 came out. Let us close it up. You are the one changing the voice of God. Don't you know the voice of God? God can shout repeatedly. You are hearing devil's voice.
ayé sì ní sí ọ.
and devil incarnate are bewitching you.
ẹ pariwo.
shout aloud.
Olúwa já mi gbà.
Oh Lord, deliver me.
lábẹ́ májàmú tí mo wọ̀ lọ.
from the covenant of entry.
Olúwa já mi gbà.
Oh Lord, deliver me.
orúkọ Jésù ẹ̀mí mímọ́ Olúwa já mi gbà lábẹ́ májàmú tí mo wọ̀ lọ. já mi gbà já mi gbà já mi gbà já mi gbà Olúwa já mi gbà lábẹ́ májàmú tí mo wọ̀ lọ. ó yá o já mi gbà Olúwa já mi gbà lábẹ́ májàmú tí mo wọ̀ lọ. ó yá o tọmọtọmọ tayataya já mi gbà lábẹ́ májàmú tí mo wọ̀ lọ. ó yá o jáde Olúwa lábẹ́ májẹ̀mú tí mo wà lọ. oyayaya jáde Olúwa lábẹ́ májẹ̀mú tí mo wà lọ. oyayaya bàbá o láàárọ̀ yìí tọmọtọmọ tayataya tayataya lábẹ́ májẹ̀mú tí mo wọ̀ lọ. bàbá mi lábẹ́ májẹ̀mú tí mo wọ̀ lọ. tayataya tọmọtọmọ.
Amen.